Awning window installation in New Orleans is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of Awning Windows New Orleans styles and awning window designs available, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Awning window companies in New Orleans offer a wide range of awning window options, ensuring that every customer finds the ideal solution for their needs. Energy-efficient awning windows are a top priority for many New Orleans residents looking to reduce energy costs. These windows provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Awning window experts in New Orleans can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the most energy-efficient awning windows for your home. Custom awning windows. New Orleans allow homeowners to personalize their window choices to match their unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, or wooden awning windows, there are numerous awning window materials to choose from. Awning window contractors in New Orleans can help you design and install custom awning windows that perfectly complement your home. Awning window replacement services in New Orleans are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and ensure your windows remain in top condition. Awning window replacement experts in New Orleans are equipped to handle any issues, from minor adjustments to major replacements. Awning window replacement in New Orleans is a great way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. With a variety of awning window sizes and awning window features available, you can find the perfect replacement windows to suit your needs. Awning window suppliers in New Orleans offer a wide selection of high-quality products to choose from. Vinyl awning windows in New Orleans are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for the New Orleans climate. Awning window companies in New Orleans can help you select the best vinyl awning windows for your home. Aluminum awning windows in New Orleans offer a sleek, modern look that complements contemporary home designs. These windows are lightweight yet strong, providing excellent durability and security. Awning window contractors in New Orleans can assist you in selecting and installing aluminum awning windows that enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Wooden awning windows New Orleans provide a classic, timeless look that adds warmth and character to any home. These windows can be customized with various finishes and stains to match your home's decor. Awning window experts in New Orleans can help you choose the perfect wooden awning windows to suit your style and preferences. Awning window enhancements in New Orleans can improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. From awning window fittings to awning window accessories, there are numerous options available to customize your windows. Awning window solutions in New Orleans can help you achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality.